It looks harmless, a thin layer of dust on the floor, on beams, inside equipment, but in seconds, it can ignite, explode, and turn a workplace into a disaster zone. Combustible dust incidents happen fast, and when they do, there's no warning and no second chance. That's why awareness is the most powerful safety tool you have. Welcome to the Combustible Dust Awareness online training course by OSHA Outreach Courses, a practical safety-focused program designed to help workers recognize dust hazards before they become explosions. This course takes just 22 minutes, but it delivers critical knowledge for anyone working in manufacturing, processing, woodworking, food production, metal handling, or any environment where dust is present. Inside this course, you'll learn how ordinary materials can become extraordinary hazards. You'll understand what makes dust combustible, how it becomes suspended in the air, and why even routine activities like cleaning, cutting, or material transfer can create explosive conditions. The training explains where dust accumulates, how ignition sources develop, and why secondary explosions are often more dangerous than the first. You'll also learn how poor housekeeping, inadequate ventilation, and improper equipment increase risk, and how recognizing warning signs early can prevent catastrophic events. Most importantly, the course shows you what actions reduce risk. Awareness that protects workers, facilities, and lives. Combustible dust explosions don't just damage equipment, they destroy workplaces and cause serious injuries or fatalities. This course helps you identify combustible dust hazards early, understand how dust explosions occur, reduce ignition and accumulation risks, improve workplace safety awareness. Once you complete the course, you'll receive your certificate of completion, showing your understanding of combustible dust hazards and your commitment to workplace safety. And because the course is only 22 minutes, it's easy to complete without interrupting your workday. Learn how to prevent combustible dust explosions, protect your workplace, and meet safety training expectations with fast, effective OSHA-aligned awareness training. To enroll now, simply click the link in the description and sign up for the course.
Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe to OSHA Outreach Courses.